The Sunstone laser welder is almost like having another jeweler. If you've got one jeweler and he needs to production more, it decreases their time in doing a ton of things. I've got one jeweler, David. He can actually laser weld a new prong on a platinum ring. Usually platinum, you can't solder on it. You have to pull all the stones out, put them all back in. It saves a ton of time. So having a laser welder is really just like having another jeweler. It's as common to me as equipment as a pair of pliers. It's like working as a jeweler and not having any stone setting pliers. It's that critical in our operation. There's no way I'd live without a laser welder. And the Sunstone ones are so easy to work compared to the other. It's amazing.
So with a ring like this, you've got your inlay in there, and if you had to heat it up with any kind of torch, you would burn out your inlay and you'd ruin it. If you had to size it or do any kind of repair work to the side, you can just go in with a laser welder and be able to patch or fix whatever it is that you've got the issue with without applying a lot of heat to the ring and saving the stone.
So I've told a lot of jewelers about the laser welder. They're like, oh, I can't afford it, I can't afford it. And I'm like, no, once you get one, you can't afford not to have it. You've got to have a laser welder. You can usually get leases on them. It's not that much a month, and you'll way make the money back.
So I've got this little pendant that we cast, and we got a little porosity on the side, which is a little pit. Normally that could be a pain to try and take that pit out, or you grind it too thin. But with the laser welder, I can go in and smooth it out and then fill it with a little extra gold, and then you don't have to worry about recasting a piece.
We ran into Sunstone at the JCK Jewelry Show, and pretty professional. I was pretty impressed. My son Paul said, hey, come check out these laser welders. And we got to know them and looking at them, and it's like, wow, this is incredible. This is an amazing machine. So much better than what we got. I actually sat down and tried it, and it was just smooth. The weld you get with these is just smooth. My other machine just like blows holes. And this one's just like butter, just melts the gold down in there. A laser welder is like such a no-brainer. I mean, if you're doing more than $20,000, $30,000 worth of work a year, it's worth having a laser welder. They are just incredible. If you haven't tried one yet, sit down and try one. Come in my store, I'll let you try mine for a few minutes. They are so cool. You'll love it.